All right, students, so this is just going to be a quick video to show you all how to get the data set into Excel. So I already converted the data set from SPSS into an Excel file. So you don't have to do that. So all you need to do is come to this course and then scroll down to the section that says SPSS dataset. So datasets and a link to SPSS dataset. So come over here, click here. It says SPSS. I'm going to actually alter that right now. It's both an SPSS and an Excel data set. So this one is the SPSS data set, and then this one is the Excel file. So what you're going to do is click here if you're using Excel. Take you to this screen, and then just click on this, and then it'll come down here. Click this, and it'll open up Excel. And now you have all the variables that you would have in SPSS in Excel as well. Okay, so as you can see, there's 1,500 respondents. If you come down here, 1,500, and yeah, so 1,500 respondents. Then you also have 51 variables, and in order to see the variable name, you just scroll up to the top, and then you'll have the variable names. So that's just a quick video to show you how to get the data set.